What's up, guys? Andrew, MetroBullsT.V, once again back with another video. Today is game number 14 as we are watching the New York Cosmos take on forward Madison. But right after this, I am racing over to watch Red Bull 2 take on Cincinnati 2. So it is a doubleheader for me today, but I am not sure yet if I'm going to make these two videos or combine them, but we'll see how the day goes. It is kind of rainy out right now, so hopefully the weather doesn't take a turn for the worse, because that's going to make recording difficult, but we'll see. I just parked. Let's get inside. All right, I'm heading in now. I think Marco said he was going to be at this game, so hopefully I see him. But yeah, looking for the entrance. My hair is all over the place. It's been windy as crap already. So yeah, it's going to be a great hair day. You know, despite all the rain and how cold it kind of is, I mean, I'm still happy to be here. I love being here. I love watching soccer. And despite the weather, being at a soccer game, you can't beat it. I know I've been getting a lot of comments about the crowd and how there's like nobody here and nobody at games. But like, if you people want to support local soccer, you want to put your money where your mouth is, come to these games like the rest of the people behind me, man. Because we're here in the cold. Instead, I have people making comments like, oh, there's nobody there, oh, blah, 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 blah. Well, then show up. If you got so much to say, show up. You all want to support local soccer, but you don't show up and you talk shit behind a keyboard. It doesn't matter if it's 10 or a million people in the crowd. When there's passion, you can just feel it. It is starting to rain pretty good outside, so I'm in the bathroom. Marco did just tell me he might not be coming down, so no!
He's here! He's here! Oh my God! Oh!
Marco, you appeared like John Cena, but I'm happy you are here. I am happy you're here.
I'm very happy I'm here too.
Man, this is the first of the 2 games we got today.
Yes, yes. We have a Red Bull 2 after this, so.
So after this, we're racing out of here.
Exactly. I could never. What is he doing? Or not. They score. Damn it. It's 1-0. I missed it. I'm going to have to pull the clip off YouTube now. Yeah, well, it's 1-0. Yeah, what is it? 21st minute. It's still early. Come on, Cosmos. Cosmos. It was a red card. Uh-oh. They're loving the red card over here. Do it! There's no way! Oh, and I just missed it on camera. What the fuck? The keeper gave it away! Oh my God! Oh, come on. Oh my God! Marco and Andrew reporting at halftime. Not good. Not great at all. It's raining. Yeah. Yeah, not. No bueno.
No bueno.
Marco's getting a jersey.
We'll try to. It's fine.
1 minute later.
Update, they don't have his size,
They
Marco.
don't have my size.
We failed.
We're doomed. We're doomed.
We failed.
Better luck next time, I guess.
Better luck next time.
Oh, they scored! Let's go! I missed another goal, but we scored! They just scored again! I can't see over this smoke, bro! But they scored! Let's go! Oh! Come on. Charge! No one there. Oh! Oh!
I saw it dead and I was like, oh god.
I was about to
should have never said that.
I was about to say you spoke too soon. That was close. They scored. No, it's offside. Oh, it's offside.
All right, it's the 81st minute now. At the 90th, me and Marco are going to start heading towards the exit because we have to go head over to the Red Bull 2 game.
Very excited for that.
Let's go.
Stay tuned for that.
Just another game for us to cause chaos.
Exactly. Love it.
Also, pint review coming your way in that one.
Yes, very excited for that too. Let's go.
That's game.
What are we gonna do?
It's time.
It's time to
Leave. Let's go. That's going to do it here, you guys. Cosmos got the draw, but it was still a fun day. Got to hang out with Marco, but the day's not over for me and him. I just got the Montclair. We're here for the Red Bulls 2 game. That will be another video, but this is now game number 15 out of 50. So this video is number 14. The next will be 15. We are flying through this, and I'm having a great time doing it. So don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.